Welcome to Excel Made Easy. Learning Excel can be quick, fun, and effective using explainer videos. In the previous series of videos, we have learned 4 types of sum-related formulas. Click on the link above if you have missed it. Now, let's look at count-related formulas instead. Similar to sum formulas, there are a few formulas under the count family. Here is the details. Under the umbrella of count, we have Count Formula, Count Formula, Countif Formula and Countif's Formula. So what is the difference and what do they do? Let's start with Count Formula. This is the most basic formula, where the purpose is to count the number of cells that contain numbers. It is important to note that Count Formula will only count cells with numbers, it will not count cells with text. If we want to count a range of cells that have a combination of numbers and texts, then we need to use Count A. In the next video, we will learn Countif and Countif's formulas. In this video, let's start with the most basic Count and Counta formula. Let me show you an example on how it is done. We want to calculate the number of sales made in the month of June. In cell I4, let's use the count formula starting with an equal sign, then type count, open bracket, and thereafter select range from F4 to F12. The result is 9 sales transactions. Let's test to see if it works for cells with text. Let's try to count the text areas in column C instead. It doesn't work. So count formula only works with cells with numbers. In order to count cells with text, we have to use Count A formula. The way to use Count A formula is the same as count. The only difference is the alphabet A after the word count. Let's summarize it. As the name suggests, count formula is to count the number of items. Remember, it will only count numerical items. That means, it will not count cells with text or blank cells. If you want to count cells with text, then you need to use Count A formula instead. To use the formula, simply type an equal sign, followed by the desired formula. Thereafter, just select the area you want to count. It is that simple. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell buttons below to get the easy and fast tips from Excel Made Easy.